year ago, 6% of people used AI to find a plumber, and that seems to have crawled up to about 47%. So what is it that you need to know about this? Well, number one, this absolutely is a trend that we expect, and it's only going to continue. People are utilizing AI results and AI mentions in their search for home services. It makes total sense. I'd do it too. But often the thing that you don't realize is how do you prepare your business for these mentions? And that is a moving target. But right now, a lot of people are honestly, they're doing the same things that make your Google Business Profile pop. And a lot of them are even just looking at that Google Business Profile. So if you don't actively manage your Google Business Profile and go into it multiple times a week, I think it's time that you start. Go into those insights, look at those impressions, understand what those stats mean, because this is going to be a big point of SEO in the future.